Welcome back. Today we are going to see about single layer and double layer PCBs, more about design rules and 3D visualizer. So open the project. So we have already completed till the single layer PCB with the power plant generation. So the power plant generation is nothing but we are converting the unwanted portion as ground. So this is optional one. If you want to remove this power plant generation, click the dotted line near yellow line and press delete key. If you want again tools power plant generation, ground is equal to power, okay. So and to increase the clearance, again press here, the value is changed into 40th. Okay. Now we are going to see about double layer PCBs. So before going that, we should remove the power plant generation. So click here, we removed the power plant generation. So now we are going to see about design rule manager. So in design rule manager, the first tab, there is some design rules, pad to pad clearance, pad to trace clearance, trace to trace and etc. The minimum value is 15th. So this value we never going to change. So leave as it is. Go to the next tab. So we already framed some rules here. Trace style is 60, next style is 60, via style 60 and there only bottom copper, the remaining is chosen as none. Power and signal we framed same type of information. So for double layer PCB, the trace style, next style leave as it is and the second one is converted into top copper. For signal and power, first one is bottom copper, second one is top copper. Press OK. Now before going to auto routing process, in every time we should remove all the tracks in the PCB layout. So how to remove? Press this track mode and select all, press delete. So now we removed all the PCB tracks. So now framed some design rules for double layer PCB, power and signal. Now press auto router. Begin routing. So now the double layer PCB has been done. Here the blue color lines are at bottom copper and the red color lines are at top copper. So the two lines makes the circuit as double layer PCB. Okay. If you want to change the design rules, now I am going to change or I am going to increase the trace style as 81 and the next style is 40 via style 40. Also for signal 80, 40, 40. I changed some design rules and I am going to route again. So in trace mode, remove the existing tracks and press auto router. So I am going to see what has happened when the design things are changed. So now the trace style is 80. So there is 3 DRC error and 1 connectivity error. One connection is missed because of 3 DRC errors. So how to rectify it? DRC error means design rule error. So pad to pad clearance, the minimum will be 15, but the actual is 8.7 only. So we are going to change. How to rectify it means, so here the trace as well as the pad is very close to each other. So what I am going to do is press this track in selection mode or trace mode, right click, change the layer style and change into 50. So there is only one error. Right click, change layer style T50. So now there is no design rule error, but one trace is missing. So we can connect the line as manually. So in track mode, click here and connect here. So no CRC and DRC error. Now the design has been completed. Now I am going to make this circuit for power plant generation. Again I am telling the power plant generation is optional one. So go to power plant generation, net is equal to ground is equal to power, bottom copper, press OK. So if I want to increase the clearance, press here, double click here, change the clearance as 40, press OK. This is for blue color line for bottom copper. For top copper, again power plant generation, click here, ground is equal to power, top copper, press OK. Now red color also appear. Now the PCB has been completed for double layer also. In previous session we have completed the PCB as single layer. Now the same circuit is converted for double layer also. Now the third thing is we have to visualize the PCB. It is 3D modeling. A simple one. Here on blue color schematic capture and there is PCB layout. The third one is 3D visualizer. So press 3D visualizer so we can see the PCB as 3D layout. Okay, till now we have completed single layer PCB and double layer PCB and 3D visualizer. In next session we are going to see about bill of material and Gerber file format generation. Thank you.